Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to transfer a file from PDF to Word. So for this you have to open a browser, then you have to search for PDF to Word in Google, and for example I am searching for PDF to Word. Then you have to scroll down. There are so many options that you can use, but I would most likely to prefer the PDF Candy from here. And you have to make sure that you are clicking on the PDF Candy option from here. Then you have to click on the add files. Then you have to choose the PDF file that you would like to edit. So there are so many PDF file, and you can edit as many as you want. The PDF file that you want, you can edit that, because there are no limitations in PDF Candy, and it's totally free of cost, so you don't have to purchase any premium version to use it. That's why I usually most prefer PDF Candy, since it's a free website and there are no issues or no harmness to use this website. Then you have to click on the convert option from here, and here it will take couple of seconds to convert it to PDF from Word. And here you can see it's already done. And after that you have to click on the download file option from here, and it's simply getting downloaded. After that you have to click on the Word file, and here you can see the Word file is starting here. And here you can see that this is already transferred into the Word file. Now if you want to edit it, here is the option of enable editing. If you click on the enable editing, you can simply edit it. Like here you can see I am just writing AGI. That's it. So that's how you can easily transfer your PDF file in your Word file. So thank you very much for watching this video.